And my birthday is just a few days away, 60th birthday, 1st of June. And then now I'm looking different. You know, the pictures will not go well. But whatever happens is God. God knows. He decides the affairs of men. I believe that strongly. Now, I thank God. It pained me, and I have spoken and spoken. I cannot hide my feeling. It's not that I don't have access to the president. I have access to the president. In fact, even in China, I have access to those who have access to him. But we have to put on record certain things that are happening. And that's why we talk. See, there's nothing anybody can do for me to leave Tinubu. First, I did not support Tinubu, like I said from the beginning, because he will give me anything. I am not appointable. I don't want any appointment. I'm living big. At 60, I'm living big. I go to anywhere I want to go to. I send my children anywhere I want to send them. This is all because Allah has shown me more favor than he has shown to other people. And in most cases, I don't even merit these favors. I don't merit them. So many people have died before me. And I'm still alive. And every time I keep on wondering, why has Allah shown me so much favor? Many people have given prophecies that I'm going to die today, I'm going to die tomorrow. Their prophecy had come to naught. Because these prophecies were not from God, and they will never come from God. Igbo'S had broken their head because I was on a wheelchair. And what is wrong with wheelchair? Why this mentality of people? Look at me. You are looking at me now. I'm standing. I'm even looking better. But if I travel, I'm 60 years old. How many people? Those who are Christians, the Bible says 70. 70. I have attained 70. All the years of a man's life, is it not 70 years? So why will I not give thanks? I have all the best things of life. I have children, I have wives, I have properties. I've never been convicted. So why will I not give thanks to God? Why will I not? I have thousands and thousands and thousands of friends and well-wishers who are always with me. Why will I not give thanks? Now, you Igbo, you don't come on. When I go lash out at you, you go claim the victim on. You go show the victim side of you. Me, my mouth no good, my hand no good. Igbo man, they call me thief. Igbo man. How ironic. Igbo man go call another person thief. Onyochi. Igbo man go call another person thief. Onyochi. Igbo man. Igbo man wey DNA na thief. Me wey don't escape, enter a job. Say my DNA 50% or don't come out. You will be 100% Igbo way. Your DNA na thief. They call me thief. For this world, who thief pass Igbo people? For the whole world. Oh, Igbo man, they call me thief. How ironic. I feel jump. See me now. Jump. The thing is that the position of my this, no good. Go call your father will be 60 years old, man. Then come jump like me. Or run. So that is it. But no problem. I'm not going to bother my head over you. You people have no training. You have no training. So you behave like animals that you are. You claim the victim. Asari said this one. Asari said that one. You know, nothing, no. You know, bother me. If you abuse me, I will abuse you. Because because I'm jealous. I'm very, very jealous.
People are beginning to say that Asari Dokubo should be taken to a psychiatric a hospital, you know, for maybe he's suffering from brain damage, you know, or psychologically he's going through something that we Nigerians are not aware of, you know, or is gradually, you know, going out of humanity, you know, out of being a human being, you know, because at every point in time, you look at how he puts Igbo on the altar and do a kind of feast, you know, a feast on it, and you begin to wonder, what is it that Igbo is or have done to this unrepentant, I wouldn't want to use a diabolical word for him. You know, Asari Dokubo has become hazardous to his own family, you know, to his own children, to his own generation. Particularly that his own generation. I'm not talking about the entire Ijaw people, but he has become a burden, you know. He is inflicting a pollution on his children. He's already there, you know. But thank God, Igbo'S have gone beyond the likes of Asari Dokubo, you know, in terms of advancement, in terms of global community, in terms of, you know, establishment, in terms of identity, you know. Igbo'S has gone beyond this. Asari Dokubo does not understand history very well. He only feels that because of certain factors that played out between 1967 till now, when Nigeria Biafra went to war. And of course, we know what happened, how they came back, you know, and a lot of people started denying their Igbo connection to their region or to Igbo precisely. So that's why we said the Igbo Biafrans, of course, the Igbo Biafrans, I think that's what is making reference to. And we need to understand that at this point in time, Asari Dokubo, you know, has been very funny recently, and the Igbo elites are watching. You know, we have radicals in Igbo land, but we don't make noise about it. We have billions of them. I said, see, in one person you can get billions of things, and one Igbo man is equal to 30 million job person. One Igbo man alone. So I would tell, so that to tell you the level of Asari Dokubo when Igbo man want to look at him, you know, they would not see virtually nothing. In all the things he has mopped out to do, he has not been able to achieve. As I'm talking to you today, the federal government is still there, you know, taking away the resources of Biafrans, all in the name of oil exploration. What did the likes of Asari Dokubo them achieve? Nothing. But we have stepped into the situation, and we need to define moments like this when an issue comes up like this, and because of one somebody that said this is half Igbo, half Ijo. Well, that is his own business. But let me tell him, it will get to a particular point. Then Igbo'S will come out and ask him questions. And I want to understand that he will stand. He said he's going to deal with somebody like Simon Ekpa. If they leave both Asari Dokubo and Simon Ekpa, you know, just on two of them alone, physically, no slippers, nothing. You know what will happen?
Simon Ekpa is much younger.
It's not a matter of, they are the same age. I'm telling you, they are of the same age.
No, Asari is almost 60.
They are of the same age. He's the one that is calling for it. So, if they put two of them there, of course, you know, let's see how the body will get accident at the end of the day. But I think it's a note of warning to Asari Dokubo. If the Igbo'S are owing you, I think at this point in time, you need to respect yourself. Respect yourself. Igbo'S don't get time. They are moving ahead. They are advancing. They're everywhere in the world. Where is an Ijo man known? What is the trend? You call yourself Ijo? You don't even know the meaning of Ijo. Ask him. Let him spell Ijo properly. We know the history. We know what happened. We know how Ijo came about. We know the people who are called the Ndoki people. The Ndoki people are predominantly Abians from Abia State. Obani. The body they are talking about is called Obani. It is the British that came and changed all these things. I will not blame him. If the injection that he has received from Asari, you know, is still disturbing him, if the injection tells him anything he wants to say, anytime, you know, Igbo must be there. It's like they injected him something in Asari, you know. So, but what I'm trying to tell you, Asari Dokubo to us, for me, is very irrelevant now. You know, people who are relevant now, we are talking about somebody like Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. That's people who are relevant. We are talking about Simon Ekpa. Those are people who are relevant. You know, we are talking about the likes of, you know, so many of them. You know, who has come out. You know, you are aware also that it's also trending that the Hausas are giving the Fulanis quit notice. In the north, they are giving the Fulanis time frame to move out from anywhere in the north. The Yorubas themselves, are you not seeing what is happening? Can a Yoruba man now come out confidently and tell you that he's a Nigerian? He will have millions of reservations if you check it. Tinubu has failed completely. Anybody, not two ways about it. The guy is confused. Okay, everybody know that, you know, he might not go for second term. Nobody is comfortable with anything called Nigeria again. So what is Asari Dokubo talking about? Every time the Northerners are using him against the Igbo'S, the Yorubas are using him against the Igbo'S, and you begin to ask a question. And look at the revelation that came from Omoloye Sowore. He said the hatred of Igbo'S in Nigeria is in their DNA. You know what it means? Those that hated Igbo. It's not as he said, Igbo man talk now. This one, correct, it coming out is directly from somebody who has contested as a president in this country. That Nnamdi Kanu did not commit to any offense. That it was as a result of hatred. No, bro, and it's not just ordinary hatred. It is in their DNA. Do you know that after the Civil War, Igbo'S themselves denied their identity? Because if you fail to do that, Gowon will proscribe you. Like they're trying to proscribe IPOB. That was why you see different things. The struggle to destroy the influence of Igbo'S in Nigeria. But they are not God. Igbo man has never been president in Nigeria. Everything that Igbo man has today was basically on individual struggle. The Yorubas and the Hausas have enjoyed resources from the Biafran land over the years. There's no two ways about Lagos you're seeing today was built with the resources that come from Biafran land. So what is it that Igbo'S have benefited from Nigerian government? What all they sow is seed. Either to whittle the Igbo man's influence down. Go to Benue, go to Kogi. When the tribal war between the Fulanis starts, the Igbo'S will defend their territory. From Igala to Benue. We will not give any inch of our land to anybody. Under what this guy, we know where our boundaries are. Anywhere you see a woman, we are two. You know, it's culture. Tie two wrapper. You know, two wrapper.